we are to restore our ancient woodland habitat, then I feel we need to rekindle and reimagine this collaboration we've always had with the forest. Once again, thinking tree lifespans rather than short-term thinking as our ancestors always had to.
When you think of the lifespan of a tree, that's centuries as opposed to decades. In a sense, that sustainability, that knowledge of the age of trees and tree time means that the sustainable nature of what they produce is also well known, and they're cropped on a basis which could mean that that could carry on almost for millennia. So it could carry on for generations and generations of humans, and they could rely on this sustainable resource in those terms.
We're seeing a big shift now. People realise the value of timber, the value of carbon sequestration, the need to have more of a sustainable homegrown timber market. Now we're looking at, again, having much more mixed models of farming where agroforestry is coming into play, and having more forests as an integral part of the farming model is going to be where I think the future goes. So there's a lot more importance on tree planting as climate mitigation, as flood prevention measures. All of these things, forests have a benefit and can provide that benefit in a very easy way. They're suddenly becoming a lot more important in the sort of strategic future as well. What we're trying to do now is where we have areas of mature woodland like this, we're going to open it up to the light, leave some of the biggest and best trees as veteran trees to be seed trees for the future, and allow natural regeneration to take place, and that will be the next generation of tree crop.
Pollarding and coppicing and woodland management could still be viable in the future, where we're less reliant on the global economy to provide these raw materials.
We can literally grow our towns and cities, our houses. And I think Epping Forest provides the most amazing example of how you can have this relationship between city and forest that is both to the benefit of the forest ecosystem, to its flora and fauna, as well as the humans that live around it.